In this video, I am going to teach you how to use HubSpot Academy. So in order to actually go to HubSpot Academy, you first need to go over to your browser and then type in the URL academy.hubspot.com. Now you should be able to see this. So if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up or you can log in if you already have an account. In my case, let me head over and then sign up. Click onto this button right here and then you will be prompted to the sign up screen of HubSpot. So you have three options right there. You can sign up using your Google, your Microsoft, your Apple, or you can also use email address. In this case, let me head over and then sign up using my Google. Let me click on this and sign up. So once you have signed up, you just need to input right here your first name as well as your last name and click onto this next option and then choose what field you work in. In this case, I'll just choose in here the services and choose which describes your role. Now input right here your company and then click on next. Now it will ask how many people for your company. I'll just choose this and then input right here your company's website. So let me just input that right here. Then after that, just head over and click on the this create account right here. Now this will personalize your experience and in order to access the actual HubSpot, just wait for this to actually finish the loading process. In this, just choose what you're interested in learning. This will cater all the courses that HubSpot Academy will give to you. For this case, I'll just choose website design and development and then just choosing here which is your motivation. Let's choose in here the stay on top of current trends. And you can see in here the top picks based on your interests. You can view all 73 courses that you would want and you can also just choose one that you want. For this case, I'll just choose this lesson for marketing for improving the website performance. You can click on this and then after that, this will load in here this part. So in here, you should be able to see this. Now you can just watch this video and if you want to enroll, just click onto this enroll option. Then after that, you can see in here all of the materials for this particular part. So you can see that we have 4 videos with total of 29 minutes watch time. And after that, you can quiz yourself. Once you have actually watched all of those videos and you successfully passed your quiz, you should be able to get the certificate provided by HubSpot Academy themselves for completing this particular course. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out in your future endeavors on learning and upscaling your skills. Thank you so much for watching.